Forget a signature, this dog decided to leave his portograph on the wet cement. It's hard for an alien to understand what human wants to do.
Don't distract her.
Forget waiting for an invitation. This dog wasn't taking any chances.
Nope.
Emเพิ่งรู้สึกไง
Never forget to keep your value in front of handsome guys. The difference between a normal dog and a dancer one. Getting into a fight isn't scary when he's Bruce Lee's disciple. When it comes to their crush, even the bravest can become a shaky knees champion.
Just having a temper tantrum and I don't know why. What? What's wrong?
It's not water. 70% of his body is human. Hold the bananas. Looks like monkeys aren't the only tree climbing pros in town. Sometimes you don't need to go to the park to ride the slide.
No.
Hello! What? Help me!
Bruh.
There are many smart dogs, but very few dogs may not be very smart like this one.
Huh?
Hello, can we be friends? Nice to meet you. If you wonder what symbols aliens give when they see food. It seems like she is extremely proud of her professional cycling skills. That mischievous dog sure knows how to deliver a bonk of trouble.
What did you take? Let me see.
Where is the perfect place to hide food?
Drop it. Yeah. The freaking Cheetos I was eating.
도진아.
There's nothing more hurtful than his crush setting up dating mode on Facebook.
도진, 놀아줄게.
Got like 10 more minutes, buddy.
How to complain to mum without saying anything. When only this dog exists on Earth.
Over here.
This doggo teacher's nanny class will definitely have many students in the future.
He's got him! Oh, he's got him anyway! Tom Powers did a magnificent catch. Warm goes.
His desire to become the butt-shaking contest winner is so strong. You don't need a partner to play seesaw. Thanks for proving that.
He climbs up my stairs, but then can never get up the final one.
There's only one person who can challenge this boy, and that's himself.
Come on.
What's that? What's that? Get it, good boy.
The pup's paw became a comforting metronome, lulling both itself and its cherished companion into a peaceful sleep.
Bubbles.
来讲可能姓名。
The doggo-roo is born. Turns out finding his dad unlocked hidden marsupial abilities.
I have not behaved one single day of my life. Not one day of my life have I behaved, and I am fine.
When this detective's vision was blocked by a very special layer of invisible glass.
Você tá aqui na adeguinha dos parceiros, certo? Beijo não, sobe. Ô, sobe. E aí, caramelo, sobe?
Life's too short to delay the happiness that a swimming pool brings.
Afuera.
How a hip-hop dancer doesn't need to introduce his work to everyone.
Зачем его лупишь?
If there's someone who's bad at teamwork skills, it's definitely not a dog.
Louis! Louisa!
What the dog doing?
when he realized he was the only adult child in his family.
그치야. 무서워.
When soft beds make him too bored, this is the perfect choice.
Oh my god.
Living the high life, that dog is wagging its way through luxury and wind. That child's happy to enjoy the sandwich, not become the sandwich. There's a lovelorn doggo in here. Can you guess who it is?
마당.
킹아, 너. 너.
Zara, vem aqui. Zara. Oi, mamãe.
A philosopher once said, never let anyone know your next step.
Huh?
Get what song he's playing in his mind. This seems to be this detective's unique method to find the treasure.
Diggy, 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 Graham.
Ay, ay.
Rock friend, it's time to go to your home with your family. Come here, I'm not afraid of you. These fans must be very happy with their idol's victory. The day when Mum cooks her favorite dish has come.
맞아, 너.
One reason makes human never worry that these smart doggos will get lost. Of course, not a husky dog.
Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy, Mr. Duncan.
Diddy.
His eyes already had the correct answer to Dad's question.
どうなってる？これはもう完全に体に悪い。
Fun fact, if you scratch your dog's knees, oftentimes they'll stretch their leg out.
For every child, the wisest way to solve a problem is to scream.
Sushi, look at mommy. Are you trying to be nice or are you being mean? Hey.
Why is this piece of meat so tough? Or my teeth are not sharp enough? No one else. Besties are always the biggest enemy of our naps.
Mi tía, pondré esta puertica para que el perro no se salga. El perro.
Who knows what monsters lurk in the dark?
Every day I wake up and I ask myself, in the ass that I can be.
Vaya, vaya, vaya.
With this soft bed, it's easy to get a good night's sleep. Hopefully, he won't use his teeth to bite into his lollipop. A true hero will not let anyone destroy his kingdom. Come on, there must be someone asking for the phone number first. This friend realized the only bad smell was coming from his hands. Rest assured that life will always have the right arrangement for you.
You get it!
No, estas botas sí me salieron muy buenas. Y eso que las compré de segunda. Vea cómo...
Thank you very much and have a nice day.